Instagram has finally released an app for iPad. Want to start using the new Instagram app, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Instagram on iPad. Now let's get started. To download Instagram on your iPad, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Instagram in the search bar. Tap Instagram when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Touch ID, Face ID, or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using the Instagram app. That's all it takes to download Instagram on your iPad. For more helpful Instagram tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Instagram tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.